Welcome back. Let's do the demo for the EmptyDir. EmptyDir is a temporary storage provided by the Kubernetes Volume. So I have a YAML file. Let me open this YAML file and let me explain this YAML file. So it starts with the API version, then we have the kind. In the kind we have the pod, and this is the name of the pod. After that we have the specification, and inside the specification we have the container and volume option. Inside the volume, this is the volume with the name temp storage, and this is the EmptyDir. And in the container, we have the name of the container, then the image BusyBox, which is coming from the Docker Hub, and then we have the command. Let me explain this command. This is a shell command where it says echo hello Kubernetes, and it is going to redirect this data to this file hello.txt. And then the container go to sleep for this seconds. Okay, let's create this thing. And in order to create, what we need to do is we need to give the command kubectl apply -f, and then we need to give the name of the file. In our case, the name of the file is emptydir.yaml. Pod is created. Let's see, kubectl get pod. Yes, the pod is in running state.